Charcoal swirl soap recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams. Stephenson's Crystal Clear Melt and Pour Base, 300 grams. Stephenson's White Shea Melt and Pour Base, 1 teaspoon activated charcoal for odor control and swirls, 15 drops Peppermint Essential Oil, cooling effect, 10 drops Tea Tree Essential Oil, antibacterial, antifungal, 10 drops Eucaluyptus Essential Oil, refreshing, deodorizing. $300 grams. Stephenson's Crystal Clear Melt and Pour Base. 300 grams. Stephenson's White Shea Melt and Pour Base. Cut the Crystal Clear Melt and Pour Base in small pieces. Cut the White Shea Melt and Pour Base in small pieces. Take 1 teaspoon activated charcoal. Measure and add oils together, peppermint, tea tree and eucalyptus, to the clear base. Add the oils to the clear crystal melted base. Add the charcoal to the clear melted base for a rich black swirl. Melt the white sea soap. Measure and add oils together, peppermint, tea tree and eucalyptus, to the white shea base. Add the oils to the white Shea melted base. Pour small amount of black/clear base into mold. Then fill with white Shea base into mold. Use a stick or chopstick to swirl gently for marbled effect. Let it set for 3 to 4 hours at room temperature. Pulp out the soaps, form the mold. Cut off the edges to make them smooth and round. This is the final result, charcoal swirl soap for tired feet. Visit my website at ggcrystalgifts.co.uk.